In this short tutorial you are going to learn how to add more functions in a single access bar of MS Office Word. Follow these instructions if you want to add more functions to any access bar. Look at the top left of your MS Office main screen, where you will see the MS Office logo, along with the Save button. In the same place you will see a drop-down arrow. Press this drop-down arrow. As soon as you press this arrow, you will see more commands below. Press it. You will now see shortcuts to the main command access and function shortcuts, as you will first see the popular commands form and the commands and functions below it. Now choose any shortcut function you want to add to access. You will then see an Add button in front of the form and commands. Pressing this button and it will add your selected function to an access bar and you will be able to use it easily. We hope you enjoy the tutorial and that it enhances your knowledge.